My name's Anthony Plume. I'm the practice lead for modern workplace and cloud security at Bulletproof. The number one mistake orgs make when it comes to threat protection is not doing enough. The landscape is changing, tools change, solutions change, and some organizations don't keep up with threats and the knowledge required to protect themselves. So we had a recent client that went through this engagement. They're in the education sector. They didn't realize the gaps that they had. So they learned of existing threats that were invisible to them. They had no logging of this information. They also had resourcing issues with skills gaps and IT resources that were spread too thin. They couldn't stay on top of everything. So through the engagement and through the benefits of Sentinel, Defender XDR, and the automation that comes with Microsoft Suite, they started to see how they could close those skills gaps, mainly by having automation take over. And also they were able to then address threats that had previously been invisible to them. I think Bulletproof's strength as a partner comes from longevity. We've been doing this a long time as a team. We leverage basically every Microsoft security solution that is out there. We don't just deliver it to customers, we use it ourselves. To me, that really builds trust, and when we present this to a client, we're being honest and sincere in the validity of what we're delivering because we are a customer as well.